So the car right now still has the full exhaust, as you guys are probably seeing there. As you can see, it still has the full muffler on it, and it still has the DPF, which is that one down here. So this was the early versions of the DPF, which actually didn't have any communication with the vehicle itself, with the ECU. This is how it sounds now. So you guys can hear how silent it is. But this is about to end now. So I'm right here under the car. So this is the exhaust. So what I think I'm going to do now, I will remove this rear section. I'll start with there, and then I'll come up to here at the front. As you guys can see, I already sprayed some lube in order to remove it. So yeah, I think I'm going to start from this side before I actually reach the cat, which is up there. So few 19mm bolts. This thing should be out. All right, let's go, folks. So we managed to remove the DPF, and my beautiful wife is just here to help me. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is the early versions of the DPF, and as you can see, no connection to the ECM, as I told you guys. So you're out. Let me just start up real quick so you can hear how it sounds now. Yeah, just a small teaser. So managed to remove everything, as you guys are seeing over there. So this is the main cat, and seems like they previously removed it, as you guys are seeing over there. So at least on the downpipe, we are running a free pipe. So yeah, basically all this section. The only thing that we'll need work with is just this, is just the DPF, which as it is so huge, what I'm thinking about probably is just to cut or keep beating the hell out of it until everything comes out. Inserted back the downpipe, so this is only with the downpipe. I'm gonna start it. If I could, I would drive it like that. So coming here, as you can see, I just removing this part because I'm going to reuse them in order to fab the rest of the exhaust. So now I'm going to add back this section, and I'll just start to fab a new exhaust. And now we are starting to make the other parts to the new Postman's exhaust. As you guys can see, we are just chopping out everything out from there. So since I took the flange, now I want to actually solder that pipe there to make our new flange. come to see. So this is our first weld, as you guys can see right there. We're still welding though, but this is our first weld. I mean, using stick weld, guys, using stick weld. Oh, it's coming out nice. I'll show you the final product. This is coming pretty nice though. So I have the other section. Let me go and do the test fitting, and then come the rest of the exhaust. So probably this will be the final result, since I'm still welding up the parts. But yeah, this is the layout that I'm coming out with. Yeah, boy. It's getting late. I still have this section to finish, but the exhaust is looking just like that. I still have to do the hangers though, but let me just start it to hear it up.
3 days later.
Yeah, folks, we finalized our exhaust, as you guys can see over there. So this is the piece that will finally go to the I just sprayed it with some black spray, as you can see on the welds, to ensure that it doesn't rust over time. By the way, I still have to fab the hangers to ensure that this thing sits in place. So guys, we are done with the exhaust, as you guys may be seeing there. We also added this hanger to ensure that it fits well. And yeah, this is how it's looking. Full straight pipe. So let me go ahead and bolt it up finally and start up the car. Let me just go under the car and show you how it looks. We already bolted it up. So as you can see, my spray paint ended, but yeah, so basically we have the first connection there. It comes all the way here to this connection. Also we have this pipe, I mean this other connection. Oh, sorry. We have this other connection where we have the hanger right there, and the exhaust just goes just right there. So it sits just like that. Remove this rope I was using for alignment, so it ends just right here by this end. As you can see, it has a small band to look beautiful. So I know you guys are curious. Let me just connect the battery. Okay, the battery is connected, and fire it up. Oh. Oh man, sounds so amazing. That's so amazing. Oh man.
Many adorable hours later.
So now we are testing, and the nice thing about this, you can actually drive your car with the windows closed like you don't have any exhaust at all. And keep in mind that this one is pretty much straight through. The thing that I can hear the most is the whistle of the turbo. I will pull a little bit for you guys here so that you guys can hear. sounds so nice. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Oh man, so lovely. I'm cruising, and we can't hear any noise at all. But when you floor it, this is wonderful. And this is how it sounds now when you shut it off. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, that's it for today's vlog. So yeah, folks, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The car is sounding amazing. Man, I have no words to describe it. If you like the video, please do not forget to leave your comment, your like, subscribe, and to see you around. Cheers.